Hello everyone, my social intervention presentation is over the company LifeLock. So, a little bit overview about this company. LifeLock is an identity theft company that focuses on protecting those that fall victim to identity theft, which happens too often. LifeLock is also a nonprofit organization, although they do have some plans and different fees that they charge people. They want people to be helped. LifeLock is a company that is committed to treating all those that have the life-altering identity issue, and some think that there's no protection, but there really is. And this company is committed to treating all those that need help with respect and being confidential with their information. The next is social issues and the social intervention. So the social issue that LifeLock has is they're being honest and protecting their identities of others in need. The social intervention is that LifeLock is trying to take away the fear that many that deal with this issue and come to them deal with, and they just try to resolve those issues. The impact of social intervention. This impact is geared to making people's lives easier, and this company wants to help to take away the fear that comes over those affected by others taking their identities and trying to ruin their lives. So, this organization is nationwide and well known and trusted. LifeLock is an industry leader of identity theft protection. Millions have been helped. So this company helps nearly 5 million people and has over 5 million members. The link is from Customer Affairs. Great website to check out if you have any more questions. And this picture on the side here, it shows how legitimate and literal getting identity protection is. So, to go to the next screen, it is the social intervention. What are the struggles, the successes, accomplishments, and or failures? And from looking at the websites that I've mentioned before and reading the testimonies of those helped from identity theft issues, many of the reviews are positive. They want to show that people are helped no matter what, and they show that great light in a way that helps the workers keep wanting to help. So the social intervention of being honest and wanting to help improve and protect are honorable. They have helped so many to get back on their feet and get every assistance that is available, setting the stage to help those get the assistance and get out of that issue pit is not easy, because even though this is a great company, people have an issue with separating personal feelings and what they would do personally in their lives, and it's rough. The accomplishments are they have over 13 cases of successes, and where there are more than 13 people obviously helped, but they have millions of people that are now on their feet due to LifeLock. The recommendations for improving the social intervention, it's kind of simple because there's not much I could recommend as far as what I would improve. but this company could be a little bit more affordable in their price ranges because it's not an easy market to be in, let alone be more competitive in their rates. And another recommendation that I have is to be more considerate of people's thoughts and feelings. And there is a negative thought to this company, but people are helped. And so you just have to go off of your own experiences. The recommendations for scaling the social intervention, I feel like the biggest recommendation I could have for this company is to take surveys of the treatments and not just take testimonies and what customers feel and what they are experiencing, because sometimes it's just about the employee when that's not right. And to conclude, my sources and citations are from customeraffairs.com/privacy/lifelock, and you'll be able to find all the information I have above, and also lifelock.com, where you will find rates and program plans and protections and just the benefits. And so I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation, and I hope you guys learned something. Thanks.